So this is our third power standard, determining theme and central idea. Or, what you talking about? Because I want you to learn something. So what is theme? Theme is the message, lesson, or central idea of a piece of literature. Typically, in a work of fiction, it's going to be referred to as theme. Typically, in a work of nonfiction or informational text, you'll be referred to as central idea. But it's still all in one big grouping. So, theme or central idea is never stated directly. It's also not the primary subject of a work. It's basically what the work means to the reader. For example, innocence is a subject. So if I want to write a book that talks about innocence, I'd write a book. But my theme would be crushed dreams can crush innocence. Now, a piece of work, fiction or nonfiction, can have multiple themes and multiple central ideas. However, generally there is one that stands out. Now, depending on the genre, this can affect the way theme emerges or develops. You're going to hear those two words a lot. How does this theme emerge or develop? Which is essentially another way of saying, how does it come out through the characters and other factors, other SBDs, suspense building devices. So in poems, you'll use figurative language and imagery to emerge or develop the theme. In fiction, you use plot, characters, figurative language to emerge it. And in informational text, you use supporting evidence to emerge and develop the theme. So what are these theme emergers or developers that I keep talking about? They're clues, like the title. What in the story does the title refer to? Does the title have more than one meaning? What ideas does the title automatically give you? The characters. Characters can reflect the theme by what they do or say, aka their actions. So their thoughts or actions, what does that reveal about him or her? How does the main character change? That can lead you to the theme. And then what lesson did the character learn themselves? Plot and conflict. You know, the story revolves around these two. So what conflicts do they face? Do they overcome? And is the resolution negative or positive? And then lastly, setting. Setting can convey the theme by what it means to the readers, a cloudy day or a sunshiny day. And what could that theme, or I'm sorry, what could that setting symbolize? Two more. Important statements. Anything the characters say can always be a hint at the theme. And then lastly, what do these statements emphasize? And then symbols. The symbols that you see can also support and develop the theme. What might the characters and conflicts and setting represent? And what are these symbols that you see through the course of a text or movie or poem or lyric or song? What do they communicate? All right, so that's about it. See you later.